Parrots have always been birds of the sun and sky. Why did you, Kakapo, only come forth at night? Wherever the night parrots foraged for food, the air was sweet with their scent, for they were perfumed like the flowers. The forest floor was their home, and all that was green and grew there was for eating. In this vast garden of fernroot and fungi they fed, and in time slowly changed. They grew bigger and bigger until they became the heaviest parrots in all the world. To fly became difficult, but it was also unnecessary. In the land of birds there was nothing to fly from, and Kakapo became flightless.